I'll be going to Hong Kong for 2 weeks, and this is everything I'm bringing with me. Now, I love traveling light anyway, but this time, what I bring with me don't even fill up a carry-on suitcase. The luxury bag I'm bringing this time is my new Hermes Evelyn Mini. This is in black and gold, which is my favorite combination ever. And I think this will go perfectly well with all my outfits on this trip. As some of you know, this bag is a fairly new addition to my collection, so I wanted to give it a try on this trip. It carries most of my essentials like my phone, a small card holder, sunglasses, and some personal care items. I think this will work really well because Hong Kong is such a convenient city, so I don't really need to carry that much. I'll probably do a review video about this bag after my trip. Please let me know if you're interested to see it. This is my jewelry bag. This time I'm bringing the Hermes CDC leather bracelet. I think the light color will really complement the outfits I'll be wearing. This is the travel jewelry case that I use every time I go away. I've spoken about this many times before, but I always bring some jewelry pieces when I travel because they really can elevate even the simplest outfits. In here, I have my Hermes CDC bracelet in rose gold, which I'll be wearing every day. I also have my Van Cleef bracelet in rose gold in case if I'm feeling a little bit more dressy. And of course, I'm bringing some earrings because they are my favorite accessories. I'm also bringing these pearl earrings with me. You see, all my clothes are really casual on this trip, so I want these elegant earrings to add a touch of contrast to my outfits. I love using packing cubes to keep my clothes organized, and these ones fit my carry-on perfectly. For this trip, I'm bringing 5 t-shirts, and they are all in neutral colors. They are really basic and simple, which is exactly the way I like my building block pieces, because this means I can easily layer them depending on the seasons. By the way, these t-shirts are made of 100% cotton, and I love how breathable and comfortable they are. These are the linen trousers from Uniqlo. I bought them last year before I went to India, and I completely fell in love with them. They are so perfect for the warmer weather because the material is quite light. In fact, I wore them when I went to the US in July last year as well, and it was so easy to style and layer. These are actually quite inexpensive, and I highly recommend them. This is the only dress I'm bringing with me. I bought these many years ago from COS, and I still love reaching for it in the spring and summer. This is made of cotton as well, so it's really comfy to have on, and I absolutely love the light grey color and the straight cut silhouette. The temperature in Hong Kong will be about 17 to 20 degrees Celsius on average. So for layering up, I'm bringing this white shirt with me. When I went to Los Angeles in July, this came in really handy. The cotton is quite light, so it's perfect for layering up. In fact, sometimes in the summer, I'll put this on mainly for sun protection. If you have the same idea, I would suggest that you go for something that fits a little bit bigger because it will give you a more casual and effortless look. I'm bringing this denim jacket just in case if it gets a little bit chilly. This is heavily oversized, which I love. I think it really balances my body shape because I do have a pear-shaped figure. Not only that, the generous fitting means I can really play with my layering depending on the temperature. This is actually my very first denim jacket, and it caught me by surprise how much I enjoy it. One of the favorite things I love about this piece is the massive pockets where I can keep my phone and sunglasses. I also find this light blue color really easy to style, which is why I've been wearing it a lot in the last 12 months. I'm carrying this in my backpack, so this is not going in the suitcase. The shoes I'm wearing are these Vans trainers, and these are the only pair of shoes I'll be wearing on this trip. I'm going to the airport in these, so they are not going in the suitcase either. This bag carries my personal items. In here, I have 3 bras, 5 pairs of socks, and 7 underwears. I'm bringing this Kipling mini backpack as well. This is another travel essential for me. I like to carry this when we do outdoor activities where I might need to carry things like a water bottle, some snacks, or sunscreen. I used this when we went to the Grand Canyon last year and it worked perfectly. I've had this backpack for several years now and I'm loving it more and more. It's a tiny backpack, but it's so practical. It can carry everything I need plus more. It has so many compartments, including a secure pocket in the back for my phone, and I absolutely love how worry-free this is. Let me know what you think, but I actually really like how it looks on me. This is my toiletry bag. I bought this from Muji when I went to Japan last year. This is incredibly compact, and I love that you can see the content from the outside. As you can see, I've decanted most of my products and everything is labeled clearly. All these travel tubes and pots are from Muji as well, which is why they fit in there so perfectly. This little bag works really well for me, and I'm still really surprised at how this tiny pouch can carry all my skincare, body care, and hair care products. This is my makeup bag. In here, I have my makeup items, brushes, sunscreen, and a setting spray. These are the things I use almost every day, so I'm basically just putting everything into the bag. This makeup spray, by the way, is amazing. My makeup stays so much longer when I use this, and I love the dewy finish. For my hair, I'm bringing my GHD straightener and my Philip Kingsley travel hairbrush. I've been using both of these for nearly 10 years and they have been worth every single penny. This is my oral care bag. In here, I have my toothbrush, toothpaste, floss, and retainer. I like to keep my jewelry pieces with me when I travel, so this jewelry travel case is not going in the suitcase, but in my backpack. And I'm using this Oleander backpack as my carry-on bag this time. They are not sponsoring this video, but I just really wanted to share it because this really is perfect for travel. The material is completely worry-free because it doesn't stain. So if you accidentally spill coffee on it, it will be absolutely fine. I also love that this is wrinkle resistant, so no matter how I handle it, it always looks polished. Another thing I adore about this backpack is that there are so many useful compartments, so I can really keep my things organized. Some of you know I do illustrations as a hobby, so I'm bringing my iPad Pro with me. This backpack has a designated padded compartment for it, which is great. I love using this Chanel mini old case for travel because it can carry my cards, some cash, and some change. This is my toiletry pouch, which carries my onboard skincare products. And this bag carries my emergency medications and some wipes. Both bags are going in the main compartment. Then I have my Gentle Monster sunglasses. These have been my go-to sunglasses in the last 2 years. I don't check in my jewelry pieces, so this jewelry travel case is going in there as well. And this is the denim jacket that I showed you before. This is my Kindle e-reader, which, as many of you know, is a travel essential for me. I do journaling every single day, so this journal is coming along with me as well. I'm bringing my AirPods as well because I'm planning to listen to an audiobook on the plane. Something else that I love so much about this backpack is that it has a zipped pocket in the back where I can keep my phone securely and access it easily. As you can see, I can keep my things really organized and I'm also able to access everything easily. This backpack is really such a joy to use and I love how comfortable it is to carry on my shoulders. And this is all I'm bringing with me to Hong Kong. As you can see, there's still quite a bit of space left in my suitcase, which is fine by me because I'm all about traveling light. This suitcase, by the way, is from level 8. It rolls beautifully and the quality is amazing. And I think you'll find the pricing more than reasonable. And that is it from me today. I am so looking forward to my trip to Hong Kong. Thank you so much for letting me share and I will see you soon.